Hey, first time here?
Yeah, I just signed up. I'm trying to get in shape before summer.
Great timing. Don't worry, we'll whip you into shape in no time.
Wait, whip me? Like with an actual whip?
Ha! No. Whip you into shape just means we'll help you get fit.
Oh, thank goodness. I was already nervous enough.
Totally understandable. So, what's your goal, cardio, strength, or both?
Honestly, I just want to stop getting tired walking up the stairs. Trainer.
We all start somewhere. Let's hit the treadmill first.
Is hitting the treadmill also a saying? Or do I literally punch it?
Ha! No punching. It just means we're going to use it. Come on.
Good morning. Do you have an appointment?
Yes, 10 o'clock. My name is Sarah Lee.
Got it, Miss Lee. Dr. Patel will be with you in just a few minutes. Please take a seat.
Thank you. Is he always running on time?
Pretty much. He's very on the ball.
On the ball? Is he a doctor or a circus performer?
Sorry about that. It means he's very organized and good at his job.
Ah, I see. That's a relief. I was picturing him bouncing on a giant ball.
That would be quite a different clinic. Can I get you some water while you wait?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Excuse me, I'm looking for a good mystery novel. Any recommendations?
Absolutely. This one just came in. It's flying off the shelves.
Wait, the book is flying? Should I catch it?
No. It means people are buying it very fast. It's very popular.
Oh, that makes more sense. I thought maybe you had a haunted bookstore.
Only on Fridays. So, do you want to give it a try?
Sure. Is it hard to follow?
Not at all. Once you start, you won't be able to put it down.
So it'll be stuck to my hands?
No. It means it's so exciting, you'll want to keep reading without stopping.
You English speakers love your strange phrases.
We really do. Enjoy the book.
Excuse me, is this the line for check-in?
Yep. Fair warning. It's moving at a snail's pace today.
There are snails here. In the airport?
No. It's just a way of saying the line is moving very, very slowly.
Ah, that is bad news. My flight is in 2 hours.
You'll probably be okay. They usually speed up once they open more counters.
I hope so. I've never missed a flight before, and I don't want to start today.
Don't stress. Just keep your documents ready and you breeze through.
Breeze through? Like the wind?
Sort of. It means you'll get through quickly and easily.
English is full of weather in it.
You know, I never thought about it that way. You're right.
Okay, your interview is tomorrow. Are you ready?
Not really. I'm a nervous wreck.
You'll be fine. Just be yourself and don't overthink it.
What if they ask something I don't know?
Just be honest. Don't try to wing it if you're not sure.
Wing it?
It means to do something without preparation, just making it up as you go.
Ah, so I shouldn't wing it.
Exactly, but you also shouldn't memorize answers like a robot.
So, somewhere in the middle?
Right, be natural, and if you mess up, don't sweat it. Just move on.
Don't sweat it. That means don't worry?
Exactly. You're already getting better at this.
Okay, I've got this.
That's the spirit. Go knock it out of the park tomorrow.
I'll try not to picture a baseball stadium during the interview.